Hello everyone. In today's video, I will be covering a topic statically determinate structure and statically indeterminate structure. So now I'll start with the statically determinate structure. So statically determinate structures, statically determinate structures are those structures which can be solved by using equation of equilibrium. Now here, what is equation of equilibrium? So equation of equilibrium are summation of all the forces along x direction should be 0 and summation of forces along y direction should be 0, and also the summation of all the moment is equal to 0. Now the equation of equilibrium have three forces are those summation of forces along x direction, along y direction, and the moment. So now for an example, I'll take the example for a simply supported beam. So this is a simply supported beam. Here one side is supported with the hinge and the other side is supported with the roller. So now as we know that in the hinge support we have two unknowns, that is forces along the y direction and the forces along the x direction. And in the roller support, what happened, we have only one support that is along the y direction. So total number of unknowns here, the number of unknowns is equal to, we have 1, 2 and 3. And in the definition, what it says that those structure which can be solved by using equation of equilibrium. So we have three equation of equilibrium and the number of unknowns in the simply supported beam is 3. So if 3 is equal to 3, in those types of cases it comes under statically determinate structures. Now comes to the next topic, that is statically indeterminate structures. So here in this type of structures, what happened, in case of determinant it can be solved by using equation of equilibrium, but in indeterminate case what happened, it should not be solved by equation of equilibrium. Okay, so we can take the example for a beam. Suppose this is a beam which is supported with a hinge at one hand in both the ends. Suppose it's a hinge support. So what happened, the number of supports here in the hinge support is 2, that is along the y direction and along the x direction, or here also it will be like that, one will be along the y direction and another will be in the x direction. So here number of unknowns is equal to 4, and we know that the equation of equilibrium, it's 3 and the number of unknown for this case is equal to 4. So 3 is not equal to 4. So those cases comes under indeterminate structures. Okay, so I'll take another example for this. Suppose it's a beam where both the ends are fixed. So in case of the fixed beam, what happened, we have three condition: the forces along the y direction, the forces along the x direction, along the moment. So here also it will be like this: along x direction there will be one force, and along the x direction there will be another force, and here also with a moment. So here number of unknowns is equal to 6, and we know that the equation of equilibrium is 3, so 3 is not equal to 6. So in case of the indeterminate structures, the number of unknowns will not be equal to the equation of equilibrium. Thank you.